don't have all my ducks in a row. But we're here. We're here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Best guest trading. Good morning. Jake Dell, Nathan Ramirez, Crypto Calls, Jagraj, R5 Studios. Good morning. Nathan Fuller. Good morning. Payment sent email last night at 10 from Apex. Does it hit the bank? It can take anywhere from 3 to 7 business days for the payment to come through, Nathan. So if it's US via ACH, yeah, on it, usually it's like 3 business days from my experience. Good morning, Matty Matt. Good morning, Brian Luna, Dean Bishop, Clarity, Sam Owen, Roger, Sign, Matthew, good morning. Fly, good morning. Amelia Stitcher, good morning. Lo-Fi, Kevin G, Fred Yeager, John in the house. M. Susan, good morning. Good morning, everybody. All right, what a crazy market, man. What an insane rip higher we had yesterday afternoon. Actually insane. Now, let's see. Is this going to hold up or are we going to sell off here? Do you feel like, I'm definitely bullish. We're definitely looking for longs. But we shall see. We shall see. I hope you don't mind. I took a nice short scalp before you got here. Be my guest, Ralph. Be my guest. Okay, looks like we might be going lower here at the open. Testing that 920 area right now. Let's see what we can get going. We're just waiting. Also, so requested my Tradeify payout. Requested my Tradeify payout and requested my Apex payouts. I did $1,200 per account on my Apex accounts, so I guess now we wait. Now we wait and see if they put me live or not. Rust 22F Apex canceled 9 PA Rhythmic accounts. That definitely doesn't sound right. Rust 22F, did you have the monthly fee? The only time I've had issues is if you do a monthly fee and you have an expired credit card or something like that, and it won't charge your credit card, then that will cancel the accounts, but I don't think anything else does it. All right, let's see. Can we get a rip higher? Maybe go test that 20,000 level again. All right, here we go. See if we get above that the 20,000's up here. Definitely feeling a little bit heavy here. All right, I haven't had my coffee yet. I need to get my coffee. I need to get my Nutty Bar. Before we do anything more, that's #1 priority. I'll be right back. And we're back. All right, market. What's it gonna be? I mean, I'm kind of interested in this level, like the 820, 830, even 850 possibly. If we pull back to the 850s, which we might not even do that. Now we're ripping higher again. Look at that beautiful picture. Hang on. We almost need to do this full screen. Look at that. I mean, that could almost be an advertisement right there. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful. Oh, man. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Looks like it came out of huh. Yeah, this market now ripping higher again. Man, this seems very bullish. And I'm tempted to jump in here, but I'm going to wait. There she goes. There she goes, just continuing to rip higher. Oh, man. All right, now we've had our nutty bar, we've had our coffee. We can actually function like a normal human being now. Someone have a problem with the Apex Trading account? I guess I'm the wrong guy to ask. Not that I've heard. If I cashed out everything, no. No, we took out $1,200 on these 5 accounts. So we should have a $6,000 payout coming. It's not approved yet. And then we took out $3,500 on these 3 accounts. So that technically hasn't been approved either. So we're just waiting. I mean, this is almost I feel like this is going to test the 20,000s almost guaranteed. So I'm trying to think what we wanted. What do we want to do? We probably need to wait till we actually, I mean, I don't know. If we pull back again, as long as these lows hold, I might look for a buying setup down here. Just not any reason not to. Looks very bullish. I'm hoping today, what I'm hoping for is a similar day like yesterday, where we just have a very nice grind higher. But, you know, yesterday we had a pretty crazy rip higher, which, I mean, we had a morning sell-off and then we just went higher the rest of the day. So if we break above the 20,000s, if we break above that, I mean, this might just be looking for, I don't know. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. 10 minutes is news. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Agog. I blew an Apex PA yesterday, and they sent me 4 emails saying they canceled 4 of my PAs. Only one was canceled, though. Oh, you gotta love it, Niles. You gotta love it. I closed a ghost position showing a $100 profit, but it flipped to a loss. Okay, JB. Yes, there is a better way to close your ghost trades. If you show like you're in a position, I assume you're trading on Ninja Trader, because this is actually an issue with Ninja Trader, I believe. Oh wow, look at this. It's gonna just rip. I want to jump in here so bad, but I'm gonna try not to. But JB, if you're on Ninja, the best way to cancel out your ghost orders is because on Rhythmic or on Tradeovate, regardless which one you're on, those orders, you're actually not in a position. It just looks like you are, but you actually are not. So if you close the position, it will actually then put you in a reverse position. So the key is just hit a right click or do like a buy stop order. Like do a buy stop order above price or a sell stop order way below price. As soon as you just as soon as you put in the order, it will immediately cancel out those ghost orders without putting you in a reverse position. Think I got a payout denied for improper risk management because I did the stop loss at break even. Will your PAs get deleted if you have multiple requests denied? No, you do not, Crypto. No, you just have to trade for 8 more days, and you can request again. If I always take 2-to-1 risk to reward, Agog. No, I don't. I'm not a big. I don't pay that much attention to risk to reward. So no, that's my default ATM, and then I move my stop and my take profit. I move accordingly. I don't really have a set parameter on it. All right, now we're getting a pullback here. We just kind of double topping up here at the 990s. We do have news in 7 minutes, so be careful of that. That is kind of interesting here. Are we going to see this? And if we don't even, you would sure think we're going to test. And I am so tempted here to. If we didn't have the news coming out in 6 minutes, I might take a stab long here, but I'm going to wait. Not worth it. Why is my stream quieter than everyone else? Really, Mitchell Stowe? I've always wondered, like, how does my sound compare to other streamers? I have no idea. You have PW at 10% and me at 100%. Really? Do I need to yell louder? Maybe I need to start yelling. Ah! And Alpine? I mean, I don't know why I would be that much quieter. I don't know. Yeah, it must be my volume settings, but I'm not going to mess with it. Not now. All right. Okay, I'm glad I didn't take a stab long there. Looks like we got a little further pullback. Double top up here at 990. Very interesting double top. Again, we do have news in 4 minutes, so be aware of that. Hey, look at that. Did I just get my... Yeah, my Tradeify accounts just got approved. Haha, let's go. My Tradeify payouts approved. I wonder, can I... Now, I almost want to... We need to test this. Oh, look at that. We got our Apex accounts approved too. Would you look at that? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Apex payout approved. Tradeify payout approved at the same time. Let's go. Let's go. So we have 6,000 plus 10,500, 16,500. Woo, baby, let's go. We like that. We like that a lot. That was a pretty quick approval on Apex, I gotta say. Trying to not be outdone by Tradeify. Now, I can't see. I'm wondering. I'm going to check something here. Hey, good morning, JR. Corey, what are you going to upgrade on your mower? Actually, I need to fix something on my mower. My current blower, the blower on my mower needs to be fixed that I use to pick up leaves. I need to fix that. All right, market. Are we going to see... What are we going to see here? We got news coming out in 1 minute. News coming out 1 minute. Do you know what email address I need for my funded future payout with Rise? I didn't get an extra email from Rise that I can use. I have no idea, David. I'm not sure. Hey, Larry Hudo, how we doing? Good morning. Traitorous chick in the house. Good morning. What news is it's not red folder? I'm not even sure. What is the news? Let me look. Okay, we are making new lows. Making new lows. That's interesting. So we have news at 10. ISM Manufacturing is a red folder news event. So, oh, there she goes. Or what? Oh, we just froze. Oh, what is wow, is this volatile? Jeez. What in the world? What? That is crazy. What in the wow. That was some crazy volatility. It actually froze on my Ninja Trader. It froze. Not sure what that means, but what are we doing, market? Are we going rip this thing or are we dumping? Kind of feels like we might go lower. The way this is acting. And we're trying to get it looks like it's trying to hold this 850, 860 area, but man, really volatile right here. We are just gonna wait, see what happens. Gotta get I'm not gonna go short unless we see some crazy sell-off. Everything's just a buying opportunity, it seems like. All right, we're trying to get a rip here. It'd be tempting to go long here, but the volatility is just a little bit too crazy. All right, you got paid. You got paid on Rise. Let's go. Love to see it. All right, just got information. So it looks like Tradify is going to extend their promotion. Yeah, Tradify extending their 30% and 40% promotion until May 17th. Apex did not extend the Apex did not extend. So rip. Is Apex denying payout if your risk to reward is 1-to-1? No, blind man. Or at least they shouldn't be. It did the same on Tradevate. Yeah, I feel like that volatility just like halted the market for a little bit. Hey, good morning, Garrett. Scratch your H trading. All right, I'm getting my payout stuff updated here. All right, maybe we get going now. Maybe we get about that 20,000. I'm just gonna wait. And immediately pulling back again. All right. Man, this market is crazy choppy right now. All right, I'm just gonna do I'm gonna finish up my trying to get my Okay, we're almost done. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. All right. I don't feel like I'm missing anything here in the markets. Not at all. All right, now get everything updated. Here we go. Oh, come on. Man, it takes me I need a better process on how to do this. Taking me too long. Um Now we got to make a Twitter post about it. Oh, man. Okay. Okay. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. All right. I think I'm done. Payout tracker is updated. Payout tracker is updated, and I need to. Oh, there's one more thing. One more thing. All right. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. We're back. All the tweets have been made. All the records have been updated. Everything's back. Now I can actually focus. My OCD kicks in sometimes, you know. All right, market. We still are just going sideways. I'm not missing anything. I haven't missed anything yet. We need to get above that 20. I mean, we got to at least test the 20,000s, right? You would sure think so. Yeah, I was too busy counting my money. I was too busy calculating how much it's going to cost to put in a putting green. But I put in a putting green for $16,000. That's a good question. That is a great question right there. Thanks for posting expenses. A few other streamers should do the same, and a couple not. Yeah, exactly, John. Yeah. I think you actually came up with the idea, or was it? I'm not sure, but I love tracking my expenses, to be honest. You know what? It has actually helped. Tracking my expenses has helped keep me a little more accountable on my expenses, where prior I'm definitely not spending as much and not buying as many evals and stuff as I would if I wouldn't be tracking it. So I like it. I love it. Like they say, if you don't track it, then you got to track it. Kind of like and it's also kind of fun for me because I'm a numbers guy and I love doing spreadsheets. I love doing profit and loss and that type of thing, so it's kind of up my alley. I love it. Okay, we're finally breaking above the 960s. Finally. Or are we? Man, this is. Hey, Gary Brooks, how's it going? Good to see you. Design Knob, good to see you. Joom said he can't help. Gave me an 80% off coupon code, though. Is Joom? I shouldn't even ask. I should not ask the stuff I do not want the answers to. Hey, we're breaking up. Okay, now we're above the 70s. Can we get above the 20s? Can she do it? Do I have the right account? Yeah, okay. Okay, here we go. Testing the 980s. Let's see if we get up through that 990 now. Actually, you know what? We can trade our Apex accounts now too. All right. I mean, this is feel like we're gonna get a clean move today, but this has definitely not been it. Just checking in for Joom updates. Is that Captain Crunch or John Design Knob? Is that actually a thing? Like, is he actually starting his own prop firm? Because that is actually crazy if that's gonna happen. I mean, just no way. No way that's actually happening. All right, market. What are we doing here? And it just seems like we gotta go test that 20,000 level, right? It's gotta happen. Okay, here we go. 990's being tested. Is this the time? Is this the one? All right, here we go, boys. Hold on. Is it gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? He said he was not based in the Philippines. He was no update though. Okay, I really hope he. Oh man. Oh, there she goes, boys. There she goes. Ripping up through the 20s. And there we go. All right, now. And immediately pulling back. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get up through the 20,000s. Come on, market. I wanted to get up through the 20,000s and hold it, and then I feel okay taking some longs on pullbacks. If we just, if it just pulls back again here, then this makes me nervous going long, but all right, market. It's trying to hold above the 20,000s. It's trying. I don't know. I guess we chilling. Why is my timer broken? I need to reload my data here. All right, come on, market. I really wanted this to go through the 20,000s. Now we're just wicking at the 20,000s. Mm-mm. I'm trying to determine if I'm okay. I think I'm going to take, I mean, this is obviously a clear high. If we get a pullback into the 970s, I'm going to take a long. All right, we're getting ready. Don't just don't rip higher right here. Give me an entry candle here. Ugh. This might just go without me here. I don't know, man. I'm done for the day. Judas Joe, how we doing? Kevin G. How's it going, fellas? MM Cole, good morning. Dom, good morning. Will Sal. This is going to be a bear flag breakdown to the EMAs. You think so, Dom? Orlando, how's it going? I'm quitting trading until next week when my evals renew. Hey, that's not a bad idea, Orlando. Sometimes walking away, taking a little break is good for the mind. Get a clear and when I walk away or when I take a break, I try not to look at the markets at all. Feel like it kind of gives you a cleansing. A nice cleansing is good for you. Oh dear, I forgot. All right, let's see if we can get a move higher. Just looking for a retest. Retest of the highs. Come on, just keep going. Rip it, baby. Rip it. Rip it. Gotta make new highs here. Come on. Don't tease me. This is diddling around my target. Come on. There we go. Thank you. Jeez. Why is it so hard sometimes just to get a target filled? Jeez. We'll take it. We'll take it. Good first trade. All right, breaking up through. There she goes. There she goes. All right, that's what we wanted to see. Now we can definitely feel okay with taking trades on the waiting for pullbacks, and we jump in and we hang on. That's the plan. Thank you, Dom. If we would have failed to make new highs there, then yeah, I would have been pretty nervous. But we'll take it. Now we just probably going to test the overnight highs. I assume 20,035's up here. Looks like we're going to go test that next. But right now, just don't want to. No need to jump in here. We're going to wait for our pullbacks. I really want to see a grind higher today. Give me a nice grind up, and we're going to try to capitalize. Oh, did I show you my Take Profit Trader account? Of course, we need to reconnect now. There's one thing that this is going to annoy me. This is actually going to annoy me. And I actually have it connected to another platform just so it's a little bit easier, but I don't really know how else to do it. This is from my the overnight trading. Look at my trades. Look at my trades from the overnight session on these Take Profit Trader. We are actually, we're $270 away from being funded again on these Take Profit Trader accounts, but we went long right here and we kept adding long on the pullbacks, and we got out at the 20,000s. It was a great time. It was a great time. You love to see it. But now we got to disconnect so we can connect to our Apex accounts again. Kind of annoying. I'm hoping that I actually have it connected to my ATAS as well. That way I can actually trade if I need to without disconnecting. And I'm thinking about just, I don't know, maybe I just need a new window. Why is it so hard? I need someone that's really, really smart with coding. Why is it so hard to? They can connect. NinjaTrader can connect multiple Tradeovate accounts. Why can't they connect multiple Rhythmic accounts? Like, why? If I sleep, K-Trader, yeah, most of those trades were done as I was sleeping. Because Rhythmic sucks? That's fair. That's fair. It is annoying me, though. What time do I sleep? We were actually up late last night. Me and the missus, we were up late. Oh, man, it was good times. And there we go, breaking through the overnight highs, above the 20,030s now. We just got to wait for our pullbacks, and then we jump in. Now, I honestly would prefer to see this slow down a little bit. Like, let's go in the steady grind higher mode. Let's not just go straight up. Let's slow it down. Slow and steady grind higher. That would be ideal. What time do I trade overnight? Well, that trade, I put that trade on. I put that trade on around 8 o'clock last night. And then I had 5 micros and I had 5 different targets. And then I checked, I added I was taking targets off as it hit my target, but then when we got a pullback, I just had a buy order put in at those pullback levels, basically right around VWAP. Then I think I got up one time at night, like at 2 in the morning. I woke up at 2 in the morning and I just quickly checked on the trades, added some targets and went back to bed. I had my stop like below these lows and just, went back to bed. Slept like a baby. Slept like a baby. I was up every hour. May 2nd high. Wait, what? April 2nd high. Yeah, okay. April 2nd high is right here. That is true. All right, come on. Give me a pullback now. Give me a pullback. The bulls are dorks. Hey, John. John, how's that keyboard going? Oh, I love giving you a hard time, John. What indicators do you have on your charts? Are they free? I mean, yeah, they're just, this is the 21 EMA and this is VWAP. This here is just showing the different levels. 15-minute opening range high, 15-minute opening range low, where the market opened, and then the intraday highs and lows. So nothing crazy. And here's our pullback. Everybody hold up. Hold up. Oh man, I need to use the restroom, so I can't wait. I actually have to go. I really hope I don't get it. Oh, man. I knew that poop was going to cost me money. I knew it. Oh, an expensive poop right there. You hate to see it. I just knew it. I knew it's going to cost me, but we had a difficult decision to make. We had a difficult decision to make. It was either poop my pants live on stream or miss a trade, and I chose the second option. If I hadn't just gotten payouts, I might have chosen differently. I don't know. Difficult decisions to make. Don't poop and trade, guys. I tried to rush it. You know how it goes if you try to rush a poop, right? It's just, it doesn't happen. You just gotta you know what? I don't want to go into detail. Let's just, we need to change the subject. Things are getting, a little weird in here. Oh, that's unfortunate. We would have had our setup. Oh, well, we're going to get another setup. It's okay. Tell us more. Ah. Did you guys took the trade? I would have gone with the first option. What lot size do you advise to trade on a 50K? I mean, honestly, I would do 2 micros or 1 micro if you're asking my opinion, but you do how you want to do it. Where, man, I feel like this thing is really going to keep grinding higher, so we need to just got to look for these little dip buys. We got to jump in. Now, once I see a grind higher happening that I feel pretty confident in, especially on the accounts that I'm trading right now. So these next set of accounts, which would be these 5 accounts, these 5 accounts, these are gonna be a pretty big focus on trading these accounts, these 10 accounts. We're gonna try our best to, I mean, I'm not gonna be crazy aggressive, but I'm gonna trade those accounts and try to get those 10 accounts to payouts where, I mean, can you guys imagine? The other day I was doing math. I should not have done this. I shouldn't have done this, but I did it anyway. Can you imagine if you had 10 account or 20, if you have 20 funded Apex accounts and you trade them in a group of 5, right? Are you guys, like, you got to stay with me here. 20 funded accounts or even 25. Right now, I would technically have 25 funded accounts. So you have 25 funded accounts between Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and Apex. You trade them in groups of 5. And then you rotate them to where you can almost stagger your payouts, that you would be able to, request payouts basically every, and obviously it would depend on your profit and loss. That's a given. I get that. But slow and steady, $200 days, I mean, that would add up like crazy. I was doing some math, guys. I did some math, and then immediately after I went to Zillow and I searched for, I was looking to buy homes in Florida. And then I quickly realized that I'm probably taking it a little bit too fast. Time to slow down. Let's not get ahead of the game. It is, Niles, 40,000 a month. I don't need to ask ChatGPT. I already know. I couldn't help myself. The nerd in me couldn't help it. let's say on average, let's just say you average only $100 a day with 25 accounts because you're going to have losses. So to account for the losses, let's just say $100 average a day. But when you're trading, you're actually looking for $200 to $300 profit a day. But then we're going to only figure $100 because the rest, there's going to be losses. So, you know, it's actually kind of crazy. Homes in Florida are teardowns for 750,000. Yeah, we're gonna need to step up our game. Oh, ask ChatGPT what it thinks of the squatty potty. Oh dear. Oh wait. Oh, hold up, guys. We got a pullback. Whoa. Okay, we're in. I mean, that was close. That was crazy. Jeez. You know what? We're going to keep our target a little aggressive on this one. We're going to keep it aggressive. Let's go, market. Let's go. Passing tape profit trader evals. Could you show how you did? How I did it, Rye? Slow and steady by jerks. Basically, I don't know. I mean, I just did it. I just tried to take good setups and just held on. No, I do go pretty big on the first day. I try to get to that 50% the first day, and then after that, I try to slow down a little bit. But yeah. All right, market, come on, keep going. Let's just rip straight up through, and I mean, let's just go straight to my target if that's okay. That'd be great. Also, don't want to get greedy here. No need to get greedy. Come on, market. Keep going higher. Don't give me no pullbacks. Futures debt is hard. If I trade it, yes, I do trade the 2-minute chart. Always have. Let's be talking about a China deal. 200 countries lined up to talk a deal. We don't have 200 countries in the world. I love it. Oh, I love it. Some of the things that come out of his mouth, you just shake your head. Oh, it's just, you just can't make it up, man. Why not move my stop loss? I just don't need to. We're gonna be chilling. Honestly, if we pull back, I want to keep my stop below this EMA. That's the main reason. But if we pull back, then we might add. We might add to our position here. As long as this trend higher structure stays, I mean, let's just jump. Let's just go with it. Let's just go with the program. Rip it, baby. Rip it. All right, I might take it off right there just because, and hope we get another pullback. Oh, no. Okay, fine, whatever. I'm trying to think. 1, 2, 4, 5. How many? I almost want to try to see if I can trade my Tradeify accounts. I have not gotten any email about a live account, so part of me I almost feel like I should maybe try to trade it, but oh. Hey Jose, how we doing? Will you marry me? Jose, thank you. You asked about copying his trades. I told you why that won't work. Mr. R, who said Miss? If I take this, oh, I see now what you're saying. He asked about copying the trades. Hey, Pine Tree, how we doing? Good to see you. Yep, the free longs. Just go long. Just go long and you'll be fine. Just go long. We should have held, honestly. We should have held that long, but oh well. Try not to get greedy. It's all right. I love days like this. I love it. We got to be careful. There's probably going to be an extended pullback at some point today. And when that happens, we just want to make sure we don't do anything stupid. Okay, getting a pullback. Let's go. Give me another pullback. All right, I just want to see pullback maybe down to the 2040s again. Something like this. I'm going to try to wait for actual confirmation here. VIX has made a higher low. Ooh, that is interesting. You've been holding 3 micros from 950. Let's go, Trib Moses. I mean, that's a good trade. That's a great trade. I mean, right now you don't really have a reason to get out. I mean, right now you don't if you're looking for a big move, not really a reason to get out yet as of now. I would love to see this actually pull back and test the EMA here. Would be ideal. But it might just go. And am I gonna just... this is where I don't like getting in, but man, feel like I have to. All right, here we go. I mean, if we just keep going higher, I guess we're in. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ay, 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 ay. We start to make lower lows, or if we don't make new highs, then we got potential problems. But right now, this thing is just going higher. I mean, it just keeps going. And there it goes. Ah, man. All right, let's just go, baby. Keep going higher. I don't care. Keep going. Make new highs, though. We do need to make new highs here. There we go. It's crazy. This market is insane. Keep going. Keep going. Just keep going. I want to see if we just do a straight rip through the 20,100s here or not. If not, we might take our profits here again. Seems like we're doing like these small like pullback, or the moves are like kind of measured moves. So if I get filled here, I'm fine. Not. All right. Now we lock in again. Hey, there's our $200 for the day. Yeah, right. There's our $200 for the day on those accounts. I'd love to get a bigger pullback. I would love to get a bigger pullback here. At least test this EMA. I feel like it's gonna happen, and prefer it happen before I'm in a trade. When it makes it look so easy, yet I was trying to make $80 and you end up down 700 at one point. I'm crying inside. I'm sorry, Matty Matt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is where my simplicity of mind is a benefit when trading. Market go higher, it just seems like I know it doesn't always work, but to me it makes sense in my mind. The market's trending higher, just wait on a pullback and jump in, and then gotta ride the waves. Whee, whee. Which works great until it doesn't. But overall, again, this is just my opinion, but overall, this strategy I do feel like is like, I feel like this strategy is the simplest and the most consistent. But I'm biased, so what do I know? Or when I see some other people tell me their strategies, like it hurts my brain because it gets so complicated. And when a strategy gets complicated, I'm out. I can't. Matty Matt. Oh man, I'm sorry. I had to use DCA on that trade. All right, we're at the 80s. Come on, market. I really do want to see a bigger pullback, though. I want to see us pull back to the EMA. I really do. Hey, Jeff Sweet. Thank you. I appreciate you too. Thanks for stopping by. Also, guys, hit the like button if you don't mind. We might actually, I was thinking about doing a giveaway. We might do a giveaway today. Celebration to, basically, we're going to do a little giveaway today. Celebrate the fact that we are over 100,000 in payouts on the year. 4 months into the year, and we're at 100,000. That's awesome. I don't try to think about it too much, because if I think about it too much, then I start doing some math in my head, and then I start to get ahead of myself. I can't do that. I got to be careful. How much did you decide to take? Camber trade. So I took out 1,200 per account. Took out 1,200 per account, which is 6,000. And then we took out 10,500 from our Tradeify, which after the profit split was 9,450. So between the two, we had about a $15,000 payout today. Let's go. 100K waking up each day and just pushing buttons. That really is crazy, Jeff Sweet. It is, if you really think about it. And here's the thing. Like, this is what's wild to me. And again, I got to be careful that I can't think about this too much. But those payouts, 90% of those payouts, 90% of that 100,000 has come from 8 accounts. If we can somehow get our Take Profit Trader accounts and all 20 of our Apex accounts and the Tradeify accounts, if we can somehow get those and keep trading them in groups of 5 and just slowly rotate those accounts, get them up to a payout and this slow grind, slow and steady, $100, $200 days. I mean, I don't know, man. We could be doing some pretty crazy things. We'd be doing some pretty crazy things. The guy who made $2.5 million this year only made 100K last year. Oh, are you serious, Sky Matt? I didn't even know that. I'm hopeful you will reach 2.5 million soon. That doesn't seem possible. But I mean, I'd be all for it. Most of the people, though, if you watch, like, and I'm not at that point yet, but most of the people that make that kind of money, they copy trade 20 accounts. They copy trade all 20 accounts at a time. And that's at like diamond level or gold level. I'm not even sure, but that's like those guys are way tiers ahead of me. I'm back here at silver level and just, I'm just kind of picking up the scraps. Mentally, I'm not prepared yet mentally to trade 20 accounts at a time. Now, I will say, with QuantGuard, if QuantGuard ever gets fixed, by the way, QuantGuard is still not working. For those of you that signed up for the free trial, I talked to the guy. He's going to extend your free trial to whatever, just so you can get the full 7-day trial. But He's still trying. He's working with Rhythmic, getting it fixed. He has a fix. He has it ready, or he has a fix, but he needs to basically wait on Rhythmic to do something on their end, and then it'll be ready to go again. But with QuantGuard, it's crossed my mind again to try copy trading 20 accounts. I have tried it in the past and failed. I still want to keep trying though. Like, I've always said, and I still believe this, I still feel this in my heart, that my end goal in my trading career, I don't want to say career, but my trading journey, my end goal in my trading journey looks like this. And I'm not joking. This is what it looks like. I have maybe 5 Tradify accounts or a live account, whatever, 20 Apex accounts, 5 Take Profit Trader accounts, and I'm copy trading them all at the same time. Whoa, what is going on here? Hang on, folks. What the Sam Hill happened there? That was wild. What a rip through the 20,100s. Now that's an interesting move. I do expect, like, can we get a bigger pullback here? Please. Man, that was wild. That was wild. Everybody okay? Did anybody lose any fingers on that move? That was wild. Come on, give me a pullback here. Just, it might not even do it. This thing is wild. This thing is absolutely crazy. Crazy, crazy market. But I was going back to what I was saying. I would love to just trade, and basically like today, I've locked in $200, take really good setups. Like, I know what I'm looking for, and just be more patient. Take the trades that I'm looking for, accept the losses, but then just accumulate those steady $200 days and then walk away. And eventually that would really, really add up. Eventually it would add up. I mean, you could just accumulate some serious money. I mean, it is tempting. Man, this thing is just gonna keep going. Look at this. Wow. I mean, but I'm not chasing this. We are not gonna chase this. That's always where I get in trouble. We gotta wait for the pullback, but man, this is so bullish. Like, look at the daily chart. Look at this daily chart. Now, we do have a little bit of resistance at the 20,150s. 20,150s. Maybe we see a little bit of resistance, but right now, everything's a buy. Just buy everything. Look at this. Like, guys, remember when we were at the 19,100s? That was only yesterday. Yesterday at 10 o'clock. Yesterday at 10 o'clock, we were at the 19,107s. Design Knob, he has faint memory of the 19,107s. I'm sorry, Design Knob, but that is a little bit funny that you lost your account at the 19,107. You might have lost your account at like the yearly low. And now we're at the 20,120s. only 1,000-point move higher. You know, that's it. It's not a big deal, guys. Not a biggie. Nothing to see here. Oh, it's crazy. This is wild. 120s, and we are just gonna keep going. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. He wasn't laughing when he kept shanking balls in the sand. Okay, that's fair. I'm just saying it was the controller. I stand by that. That was the controller, and I will die on that hill. Stupid controller. I even played again off stream. I even played golf yesterday off stream again. I got to, I'm not joking, I got to hole number 14. I got to hole number 14 and everything was fine. I was actually even par through 14 holes. And then on the 15th hole, I shot a quadruple bogey because of the stupid, worthless game that doesn't know how to, like, configure a controller. Like, I was doing everything the same up to the 15th hole, and then it just and we rage quit, and I haven't turned that game on since. Am I gonna jump in here all the way up here? Like, usually I would not do this, but this makes me more and more nervous going long. The further we are away from the EMA, I would really like to see us at least test this EMA. I don't know. I would love to see it, but market has got other ideas right now. All right, come on. Let's see a pullback here. Come on. Give me a pullback to the 20,060s or 70s would be kind of where I would be really, where I would love to see it. I'm still trading 2 MNQ. Yes, Niles. Yep. This almost all my, not all, like my take profit trader evals, I trade 5 micros, but almost everything else, I trade 2 micros, sometimes 4 micros, maybe. Trades by Matt went with 2,300K accounts. Are you serious, Max 90? He has 2,300K accounts right now? Oh, wow. Yeah, it is pretty crazy, Niles. Like 2 micros, honestly, I mean, you can make really good money. How many trades do I take per day? It just depends. It depends on kind of what the market is doing. Okay, we are finally seeing this extended pullback. Love to see it. Excuse me. All right, now we just need to get ready. Need to get ready. Hey, Camber Trades, Quick Gaming. I have Apex account with Rhythmic. I want to buy 50K trade if I. So Quick Gaming, you want to get a Tradeovate account, which I don't think Tradeify even offers. I don't think Tradeify even offers Rhythmic accounts. I don't think so. Hey, let's go, John. You're up 1K so far. Let's go. All right, we need. I'm gonna enter my orders here, and I'm gonna wait for confirmation on my entries here. Right now, we're definitely seeing that extended pullback. We are getting that extended pullback right now. Quick Gaming, I do not know. Yeah, but I'm saying I'm pretty sure you have to use a Tradeovate account, which will work. Quick Gaming, if you're using Ninja Trader, have a Rhythmic connection. You can add as many Tradeovate connections as you want. If I've already got my take profit evals to 52,730, yes, that is correct. That is correct. Let's hope we keep it going, but we need to trade 3 more days. 3 more days. Lock in. So hopefully this time around, we won't. Hopefully this time around, we can get those accounts to that buffer. It's so tempting to be aggressive when you like. It is tempting, but right now, I do not want to go through the painful process of passing more 50K accounts. I look at it a little differently. If Take Profit Trader was 1 day to pass or 2 days to pass, like it would be a little bit easier. But honestly, it's probably good that it isn't, because that way I don't spend as much. All right, are we gonna get filled here? Nope. Nope-eries. This is starting to look like one of those hope and nope moves where it just looks like it wants to keep going, but then it just slowly and meticulously grinds lower. That's where waiting for confirmation really does save me a lot of money. Now we could get wicked in here and then it dumps, but that definitely has happened. But let's see if we can get a bounce here. Love to see a bounce and a rip right back up to the highs. I do think we go higher. I do think we go higher. This is just a much needed pullback, a little bit of an extended pullback that we need. It can spike, but sustained above is not like the 80-20 rule. Yeah. It might come all the way back like yesterday. I mean, if it does, it might, and it could, but man, that'd be wild. But it is. Right now it's starting to look like it's just doing that slow. If we see a really, really big pullback, we could see a pullback back to like the 20,000s. That could happen. I could see that happening. I don't think it will though. I think we're going to see a bounce maybe off the 50s, something like that, but we'll wait and see. All right, I'm just going to add, I'm going to keep moving my target here, and if we get filled, we get filled. If we don't, we don't. Wow, this is, now we're below this EMA for the first time. We are below EMA for the first time since this morning at 10:18. Over an hour ago. You think that's high of day, John? Oh, man, I don't know. I mean, it could be. It definitely could be. I hope it isn't. I'm going to lose money if it is. I think. Worried about tonight warning on future earnings. Apple. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, Apple is tonight. If so, you called it. Let's go. I mean, right now, this is a nice, if you sold up there at the 120s, this is a nice pullback. Nice trade. Very nice trade. Don't ever listen to me. Yeah, same. Don't ever listen to me either. Well, you guys don't have a choice. You have to listen to me, but you don't have to do what I say. And this is very definitely just starting this big pullback here. Oh man. It was at 2.4% at the high. Yeah, there we go. Just continuing to bleed lower. We haven't even had an entry trigger yet. It's okay. I'm fine with it. I am very content with watching this and not participating. Okay, I want to see. This gonna be the rip here? And what do I do here? Hey, we're gonna take it here, but this is definitely, I'm kind of okay if I don't get filled here. I'm kind of okay with it. Either way, I'm okay with it. If we get filled, I'm okay with it. If we don't get filled, I'm actually okay with it too. Starting to feel kind of dumpy. He's starting to feel very, very dumpy. Can be a false. It definitely can. I agree. That's kind of what I'm a little bit worried about. But actually, Niles, yeah. Actually, Niles. You know what? I forgot about that. Look when we started the reversal. 11 o'clock. Very good point, Niles. Very good point. Yeah, let's see. Oh man, if we get filled here, I'm okay if we get filled. We gotta. It's okay. It's okay if we get filled here. Might get filled. Yes, with a moment of truth. Is it gonna do it? Is it? Oof. Oh, it did it almost. Oh, so close. I think it's gonna fill me. I think. Oh my word, is this actually gonna do it or not? This is very nerve-wracking to see if I'm getting filled. And we're in. Everybody cross your legs. Need prayers. Makes me nervous. I'm not gonna lie. Makes me nervous, but the setup is there. We gotta take it. And it is what it is. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But we gotta take the setup. And those are the rules. Those are the rules. Yeah, this has the makings of being this could definitely be a false breakout. This could definitely be a false breakout, and if it is, we're going to take the loss, but right now, I mean, the trend is higher. There's no reason not. I mean, it is what it is. We're not going to overanalyze it. We're just going to take the trade, and if it's either going to work or it isn't. Got to get above that EMA though. Got to get above the 75s. Come on, market. Got to get above the 75s here. It's struggling though. Yeah, this is not, this looks like a fake. A little bit, it is what it is. All right, it's gonna be the moment of truth here. Gotta get above that 75s, or this is just gonna bleed lower and we're gonna get stopped out. If we get stopped out, this is kind of a red flag for me that I should probably not keep trading. This is actually where I do the most damage to my accounts. When we have a really nice move higher and then we just start to bleed lower without even an attempt to test the highs. That's where that's my biggest, that's where I always mess up the most. So I don't know, definitely if this rips lower here, we should probably just walk away with a small green. It's one part of trading that I feel like if you start to realize where you're really bad at trading and then walking away from it is also, that's a big deal. That's a big deal if you can do. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. This thing can just rip lower in right here. If we don't hold, the 40s right here, then we are getting stopped out here for sure. I am not going to add here at all. Not worth it. I always get confused by the market when it does this, and I shouldn't. But it's like we were so bullish on this move higher. And I can understand a bigger pullback. What I always struggle to understand is like, I don't need new highs here, but I really do expect us to attempt, like, at least give me, like, at least attempt to make new highs. You don't have to make new highs, but I never understand when we just have these V-shaped reversals. That, to me, I have a hard time grasping that. But yeah, we're getting stopped here. Rip. I hate to see it. is unfortunate. Oh, you hate to see it. Snowman wants a bounce. I'm with you, Snowman. Maybe together we can get this thing to bounce. I doubt it. I doubt it. I can just I think if anything, we might come down and test the VWAP here. I don't think that's crazy. We might see a test of the VWAP, test of the 19,990s. That could happen. But right now, this is not it. This ain't it, man. I just hate when the market does this. I actually hate it. How did you get the huge run up? Everyone bought. How do you get the beaver? Everyone try not to be a bag holder. Yeah, but at some point, I feel like people look for a re-entry on it, but I mean, obviously not. All right, go ahead and stop me out. Let's get this over with. Go ahead. I'm here for you. I've accepted my loss. Don't give me hope. Don't do it. I don't need I don't need no hope and nope here. And there we go. Don't do it, Mark. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just rip the Band-Aid off. Let's get this over with, market. Come on. Just do it. Fine. It is fine. Go ahead. It wants to get a little bit of support here, then I'm going to let it. A little bit more wiggle room here. Just a little bit more. Imagine this rips higher now. Imagine. Okay, here we go. That was an looking at this. Look at that, how we got wicked into that long. That was dirty. I hate when it does that. Literally wicks me in and then dumps. Oh, it's rough. That's brutal. Feel like maybe a safer play here would be to just, maybe give myself a little more wiggle room on those entries when we're doing this kind of move. I don't know. There's no perfect way to do it. But just stop me out already. Stop giving me hope, okay? Just go ahead and stop me out. Crazy how this thing is just slowly bleeding lower. We are like doing the reverse from here. No, there's no hope. There's just no pump higher, nothing. Just straight down. Me personally, I'm not a fan. And we are about to get stopped. Just stop me out. Goodness gracious. Stop me out and let's get this over with. Oh, I live in hope. I have no hope for this trade. Zero. Absolutely zero hope. There is no chance. There is a 0% chance that we don't get stopped out here. Like guaranteed stop out. 100%. Telling you. 100% we're getting stopped here. See? Said. Hey, we're still green. All right, market, you win. Gosh, I hate those moves. Oh, I hate him. I hate those moves. If I see a chart like this, my skin actually crawls. It just, I hate it. I actually hate it. It's just so brutal. Like it's just nothing there. All of a sudden, we just, nothing but move higher, and then we just have a straight move lower by 100 points, like V-shaped move. Not once did we attempt. It's whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is, but I hate it. Wow. Now I'm trying to decide, do I want to wait if we get a move to the VWAP and then look for that move higher? Do we want to do it? Do we want to torture ourselves? Oh, man. It went down the same way it went up. Yeah, not really. I mean, yeah, kind of, but definitely just makes more sense on the way up. In my mind, it makes more sense. I know there's no rhyme or reason to, but it makes more sense to me. And I'm now considering going short, just writing this thing down to the EMA, to the VWAP. Feels like that's where we're going. It feels like that's where we're heading. And they're dumped. This is wild. I think I should shut her down. Hey, by the way, John, nice trade. Nice trade. I like it. It's all good. Every trader is right and wrong, you know? That's the beauty of trading. Nicely done, John. I love it. Oh! And I'm going to wait. I'm going to be an idiot. I'm going to wait to see if we can get a move off of this VWAP. I'm going to look for it. And if I'm wrong, I'm okay being wrong. Man, look at this thing just continue to dump. Wow. This is too scary to buy here. This is getting to be something insane. Something is up. Something is up, folks. What's going on? Okay, am I yeah, this is starting to get ugly, ugly. Whoa, look at that go. Yeah, something's up. I'm out. I ain't, this ain't it. What is this? Someone know what the heck is going on here? Is Orange Man tweeting? Orange Man tweeting something here? Because now I want to just go short. Honestly, I might do it. Hmm. Give me a little bounce here and I'm going to short it. Okay. All right. Now I'm doing something stupid here, but this thing wants to rip lower, then fine. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go to those lows of the day. I'm here for it. I am here for it. I mean, once we just rip right through the VWAP and rip through the opening range, I mean, oh, this rips higher now. This is a sign we should have walked away. How to go on tilt on 01. Lesson number 1. Get stopped out on a move lower and then get convinced of the move lower and then jump in lower at the bottom. That's how you go on tilt. Is this real life right now? You gotta be. I should have. I mean, I'm still fine being short here, but I should have waited a little bit instead of jumping in. I might add here, to be honest. Imagine this thing rips higher now. Oh, I will be mad. Was there actually some news? Did something come out? I'm actually curious. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? This is me being stupid. We are just getting totally bamboozled here. And I still like a short here, but the way I'm trading this short is not good, and it's dangerous. I definitely, I don't know. I should probably just be closing this trade and walk away. Come on, dump. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Do it. Come on. Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Don't fake me out here, please. You know what? We're going to take 2 off here. Just, I'm kind of being an idiot. Kind of being an idiot. Kidding me? Mm. triggering me. Man, do I hate, dude, I need to walk away. Walk away. We're gonna move our stop right there, and if we get stopped here, we need to walk away. Ah, wait, why is my camera turned off? Sorry. Oh, my fan is not turned on today. Why in the world? Yeah, we're getting stopped here. I hate it. Hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. All right, guys, I need to walk away. I'm sorry. I did say, oh, I said we'd do a giveaway. Oh, dude, you know what? We're going to do a giveaway tomorrow. We're going to do a giveaway tomorrow, guys. Okay? We're going to do a giveaway tomorrow. I think it's nice enough that I can go golfing. I need to get away. I need to walk away. This market is just a prime example of how I get triggered. Ugh. All right, guys. I need to walk away. I just hate this. I know exactly how this will go. And I'm out. The golf videos, we're trying. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And we'll be back. Take care, everybody. And God bless.